guys, it's Simone here. So today I want to do a thrift flip. I really like that. I like to go to the thrift stores, find something that's cheap and find something that's kind of cute, that I can turn into something that people would actually wear now. Or, you know, occasionally you'll find a piece that you can leave just the way it is, but I want it to look cute. I want it to look kind of new. And to be honest, I feel like when I go to a lot of the stores I shop at, like Urban Outfitters, I don't actually really buy things there because they're super expensive and their whole aesthetic is basically vintage. So I feel like I can find a lot of the things that are similar to it. So one of the things that I'm going to do today is this cool dress that I found. Let me back up so you guys can see the whole thing. Let's see. So it's a dress. I feel like it's pretty good length. To be honest, I feel like I could wear this now. This is something that I kind of like, but it's not really fitted to my body that well. And it's kind of long maybe. So I'm gonna see if I can turn it into a two-piece. I've had this for a while. So I finally went out and bought some zippers for it to see if I could turn it into a two-piece. So I'm going to kind of show you guys how I do it. I've done a few thrift flips before on my own just for fun. And that's why I'm kind of turning this into a video because I've kind of gotten the hang of it. Definitely not a professional sewer or anything like that, but you know, the clothes work for me and people compliment them. So, okay guys, I have the dress on now. Let's see here. So it's not a bad looking dress. I just feel like maybe the straps are kind of big. It's a little tight around here. But other than that, I'm fond of the length, but I think I might shorten it just a little bit because it's kind of at my knees and I feel like I could do this and then wear like some leggings or something underneath it. So yeah. Okay guys, so I finally figured out I want to take off about 23 inches. I feel like that leaves me a decent top, you know, like right here. Leave me a decent top to do, and then I can still maybe fold that in. I'm gonna just follow this line. I'm not gonna do exactly the 23. I think it'll be smarter to follow the line so I can cut a straight line. Okay, so I cut it and I put it into two pieces, and I also there was a zipper on the back, so I cut it into two. That's why I had to get two zippers to replace it. So now I think I'm going to take the zipper out here and here, and then figure out what to do next. So like I said, I'm going to try it on. So obviously this is too big, so I'm going to take my clothespin and pin it up to where I want it to fall. Okay, so what I'm going to do is kind of fold that up here. Since this already has lines for me, I'm probably going to do it on a line exactly. So let me see if I can fold it up on that line right there. Yeah, it's almost there. So that's probably what my line I'm going to sew on. I'm just going to put a few pins here so I know to sew it on here. Okay, so like I said, I flipped it inside out. And now I put the pins with the length I want it. So I'm going to try it on and see if it actually works for me or if I'm going to have to adjust it. So I have the pins in it. This is where it's going to fall. It might be a little big there, but it's not so bad because I still have to do the zipper in the back. So I think I'm going to go ahead and sew this here. And then I'll make sure it fits well. And then I'll probably take out this zipper that came with it and put in the new one. So I'll give you guys an update soon. so I finished my outfit. I just literally took it off of the sewing machine. It's cute. Tell me what you think.